Friend, today we are learning how to make script file and how can we save it in our MATLAB drive. Okay, first of all, you can see here three dot, click on three dot, you can see here file. Okay, first of all, go to the file. Now file, you can see here so many file we have saved, I have saved, and now you can see here plus button. Okay, click on the plus button and you can see there are so many options: new script, new folder, take photo, record video, upload photo, upload files. You want to make new script, so we click on new script. Okay, so write the name of script. We are writing here name of script is file.m. Okay, now create script. Here you can see the new page. Okay, enter the command here. We are making a 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, now you know that how to make a matrix 2 3 4 here 5 6 7 and 8 9 0. Okay, this is matrix A. You can make other matrix also. Written B matrix equal to 2 2 3 4 5 0 6 7 0. Okay, let me take another matrix also, C matrix. Okay, C matrix 3 5 7 7 6 5 and 8 9 7. Okay, okay, now write some command. We write d equal to a plus b plus c. Okay, now we write e equal to twice of a. So we write here star. Okay, twice of a. Okay, now we write f equal to twice of a plus twice of b. Okay, let d equal to a minus b. Okay, let h equal to, you can write so many command. H equal to 2 star a twice of a minus b. Okay, now we want to run this file, so you can see here run button. We click on run button. Now these are the command. You can check by solving this command. Okay, now you can see your file. This is your file which I have made file 1. Okay, you can see here this is, and if you run, this is a file. This file is automatically saved in MATLAB drive. Okay, thank you very much.